Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project hostel booking system. And I have developed this project in Java JSP and MySQL. The version for the Java JDK I'm using the version 1.8 and the MySQL version is 5.6 and the Tomcat version is 7. And for connecting the Java JSP with MySQL, I'm using the MySQL J connector, which you will get easily from the MySQL or website. And this is a web-based project, so for front-end development, I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And some of the jQuery library also have integrated in this project for form validations and creating date integrations. So for these things, I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technologies I have used for developing this project. So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is Hostel Booking System, and it's a mini project which has only customer login. There is no admin functionality in this project because it's a mini project. So all operations can be performed by the customers only. Customers who are looking for the hostel, customer those can easily book the hostels from this platform and see all of his booking histories, right? So let's just start with the functionality go through. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple so home page. This is a about page, and this is a simple static HTML page. And if you want to change the content, then you can change it directly from the HTML. This is a search room. From here, you will be able to search the rooms, right? So here you can select the from date, to date, number of rooms, adults and childs. These are restrictions from where you will be able to. So if there is a restriction inside the project, right? So without user ID and password, you will not be able to register, right? So this is the main restriction inside the project, right? So for booking the hostel, you must have the login inside the system, right? So this is the registration page. This is a user login from where you will be able to log in and book the hostel. This is a contact us page from where you will be able to send the contacts information, but it's a static page. I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I'm not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So now I'm going to search the room, right? So I want to search the hostel, right? So 8 and 10, right? Number of rooms 1 and adults 2 and child, there is no child, right? Search, sorry, there is one child. Okay. So once you click on the search room, all of the hostels which belongs to that category will be displayed here, right? So you can see this, all of the hostels are getting rendered here. Once you click on the book room, right? So once you click on the book room, it will ask for your credentials, right? So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. So you can see it has not been redirected to the home page. You have been redirected to the booking page, right? So this is the details, and this is your search terms, right? So once you click on the book this room, you will get the local payment gateway page, right? This is a local payment gateway. It's not hitting any type of external URL. Even we are not migrating from any of the payment gateway, right? So it's a local payment gateway, right? No need of entering your correct credit card details. So you can enter any type of details here, name of the card, right? Credit card, you can type, you can select what type of card it is, the expiry date, right? And then the CVV number and the amount what you are paying is it's non-editable, right? You can't edit it. Once you click on the make payment, then you will get the receipt. This is the booking receipt for that hostel, right? This is the print ticket, means print booking receipt, right? So this is a booking receipt, right? Okay, so you can see all of your booking history in the my booking page. So with this, all of the bookings you have made, right? Because this all of the bookings you have made, this is the today's booking, right? So you selected the 8 March and today is this one, right? This is a my account section from where you will be able to update your account details. This is again a book room from where you will be able to search the room and book the room, right? This is a contact us page which I have already explained you. right? So the last thing is the logout. So once you log out from the system, this is the totally session driven menu. The above menu is totally session driven menu. And if you log out from the system, then above menu will not be displayed. So you can see the above menu is not displaying, right? So because the menu is getting rendered according to the user session, right? It's checking the user is login or not. If customer is login, then it will display the particular menu. If customer is not login, it will not display any menu, right? Means it will not display those menu which is required for the customer, right? So this all functionality I have developed in this project. As I told you earlier, this is a mini project, and the project title is Hostel Booking System. It's a mini DBMS Java JSP and MySQL project, right? So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.